right, welcome back. We still get Ras Kimono, the legend himself, inside the studio, and the daughter, Oge Kimono. The woman where they finish part all I say tomorrow. No, part how you come and kill me at that. No, but you must give us your part one. Make we hear that's your part. Meet the people.
Give us line. Give us line. Say something nice. Just say something to talk ladies.
I say talk ladies.
Yeah.
Them lady here beautiful. You don't know. I say them pure epitome of African beauty. Do you see it? Hold on, now make your 8 swell.
Plenty of tweets. On top Twitter, Samuel Victory, they say, one love Ras Kimono. One Emmanuel talk say, Kimono's daughter look more like Queen Bee than Raski's. Another person say, wow.
I found my daddy.
You have to do the test, man.
Wow, Kimono in the building. Thanks, ladies, for bringing him around. God bless you all. Me love you all. Samuel B. Jin say, yes, boss, Saraski, enough respect. Me love you to the maximum. Okay. This one don't be asked, say what tribe, and we don't answer that one already. It's Toby say, oh, shit, Sarah Kimono in the studio today. Hello, sir. How do you do? Oma Baba's dreads long. They
need to see these dreads. They need to see dreads.
Pretender, you better surrender. You pretending. I bet you. If you are there in a corner, you will play with it.
Everybody really appreciates it. You enter inside the studios today. And people still know, plenty of people still don't believe say.
So I really know something. We'd expect new tracks for you because a lot of they don't tell where you did for inside the scene. We'd expect new music.
Yeah, man, I'm in the studio now coming out with a tune called Blessed Africa. Yeah, I finished already working. I'm just mixing and mastering, remaining. Maybe, and me and my brethren this week are doing something too.
Okay.
And so maybe me and Norris will come up first before I come out my track, or I come out first before. But anyway, both of them will come out this year.
So when the one with your daughter? Okay.
That was still in school, you know. Okay, one thing, you know, August still in school, you know, lots of abuse.
Daddy wants
right?
her to finish school.
So I want her, yeah, man. She's before.
Man, don't want me care, but keep your hand to yourself.
Please.
She is in school. What kind of school? A part-time?
Hello, man. You see this guy? She's a student.
A part-time
Jump
student.
Part-time. Jump
400 level. Make that already.
I understand.
People, I'm not going to hold on to the next 5 years.
That's too long. She had done already, man.
Jump back, man.
In fact, right about now, me I go turn into a grandfather, get married and have children. My mates already have kids, and you tell me, stay there down school. Yo,
my school girl. Listen, my school girl. So when we finish school, now we are doing a throne.
But one thing we regularly don't like. No, you don't care how the other person feels. You just say
very bluntly honest.
Of course.
Annoyingly honest.
But we're working on something. Leave the old man attack. Let's say old man. We're working on something.
How old are you? How many months do I see you with?
Wow. Make me calculate.
How many months do I see you with?
Hold on, make me calculate it. 12, 24, 48, 72.
I lie your ten now. I lie your ten now.
So we look at the communicating part one.
Yeah, you know the if I live the same house with them, if I did vex, I'll just find one door where they say they're going to talk to their self. I know they do television set, they want.
All right, apart from the part where we get the legend himself inside the studio, Ras Kimono, and the daughter Oge Kimono, that they make us laugh. Well, you know, say when Papa and daughter did the same place, they're living down the roof.
I did tell you.
They're very happy that our roof is still intact. see our music, we are Ochowe, yes. Make you see like 2 or 3 pictures of your Ochowe. Make we decide whether we go the wear am or make we Ochowe am. And as we get Oge and Raskimono in the studio. When I like this hairstyle.
You rock this style.
Make ladies they wear am or make them stop.
We African.
We're Africans.
Okay.
I remember back in Germany, I did a hairstyle like that. And everybody looked at me, everybody said, wow, what's that on your hair? It's beautiful.
Okay, gets that.
So they like her.
She gets that.
All right, the second picture, just no, 2 pictures. The second picture and then second picture.
No
what
way.
Is this? It's not a hairstyle.
Me don't
Something
confuse
like
anybody.
masks.
No way.
Mask, statue.
No way, no way.
Bambara. How about that?
I don't know.
Look like something them use for that.
All right.
Exactly.
That's some Bini Kaveh.
Mini Carmen, you know.
Thanks a bunch of nights after the studio. Today have wonderful day. We actually enjoy Una well done.
Thank you so
But
much.
nothing come out without saying Una drop am out for us. Because we need to dance.
Let's go.
We need to dance out.
We sign off like that.
Yeah, but before I start out fully, this Oge Amaka, Raskimono, and she overthrew Oge.
Amaka.
Amaka, you have to come back here. We all have to dance out. Amaka, you must come back here. We have to dance out.
Crawl back in.
Amaka,
Crawl back
come
in.
Amaka, come back. Amaka, come back. Yeah, man. It's been a pleasure here today, man.
Yes.
Flexing around ladies, you know.
Yes.
See?
That's true.
How about you that always sing? Woman me lotion, me no lotion man. Woman me proud, me no proud of man. Woman me lotion, me no lotion man.
That's right.
Woman me proud, me no proud of man. Batman, we don't want them in our land. Batman, fire I go burn them down. Batman, we don't want them in our land. Batman, fire I go burn them down. Woman me love, me no love no man. Woman me lotion, me no lotion man. Woman me proud, me no proud. Man. I love nobody.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.